Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to delete your Twitter. So first, let's click the Twitter app. And then you're going to click over right here on your picture. Go to your settings and support right here. Slide down, click settings and privacy. Now we're going to click your account. And then we're going to click deactivate your account. After 30 days. So if you want to keep your Twitter, deactivate or reactivate it in 30 days. We're going to click deactivate. Then you're going to put in your password. And then I'm not going to put in my password. I'm just going to, and then click deactivate. And then your Twitter will be deactivated and then it will not be able to be found. Please remember that after 30 days, you won't be able to get back into your Twitter. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Bye.